Hello, Adam Kopeć, Excel lover from Poland. When we want to count number of work hours in Excel, we have problem with night shifts. Let's start with human approach and day shift. So, in day shift, end time is larger than start time. So, we can just subtract one number from another. So, end time minus start time. And just like this, we have proper result for date shift. But when we copy our formula down and we go to night shift, where end time is smaller than start time, Excel won't show us any time. He will show us hashtags, because Excel refuses to show any negative dates or times. But even if Excel would show us this negative time, the result would be wrong. So let's start with that. Excel stores time as number, the day part that passed. So it's decimal number. So AM, it means 1/3 of the day passed. So when we change time formatting to general format, we get 1/3. And when we want to convert Excel time to, let's say, human time to number of hours, so we are multiplying time times 24 hours, and just like that we have once again time, because Excel copied formatting from B and A column, so we have to go to general formatting once more, and now we can see negative values, negative numbers for night shift, but the results are wrong, because from 8 p.m. to 4 a.m. there is only 8 hours, not 16. So this human approach won't work in Excel, and the simplest, the shortest formula I know is using mode function. And in mode function we are using human approach. So from end time we are subtracting start time, but we have also give mode function divisor, and this divisor is 1. So whole day, whole 24 hours for Excel. And just like this, our results for day shift and night shift are correct, because of how mode function works with negative numbers. And when we have proper number of work hours, we can calculate wages. So just number of work hours times wage. F4 block it, because we just have one wage for each person. And just like this, we once again have wrong answer, because we forgot that Excel in here in row 2 doesn't multiply 8 times 40, but it multiply 1/3 of a day times 40, and 1/3 times 40 is around 13. But we want proper wages, so we have to multiply times 24 hours again, and now we have proper result, proper wages. And in my experience, if you don't need bigger precision than 15 minutes, just use numbers in Excel.